Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Today I'm going to be showing you a recipe of how to make the edible chocolate lace. I had showed you how to make the edible lace earlier, but it's very nice, but it tastes very bland. So I have worked on this recipe of the chocolate lace, which not only looks good, but also tastes very nice. It can be used not only on your fondant cakes, it can be used also on the cream cakes or your glazed cakes also. It's very easy to make and super yummy. So let's get started. For the chocolate lace, we will be using Tylose, hot water, liquid glucose, icing sugar, corn flour, and cocoa powder. I have taken a liquid glucose. I have taken the hot water that I had, and to this I am adding the Tylose powder. Now this I will just mix it around. As you can see, it will become a little jelly like, but that's how it is going to be. We just mix it so that the glucose, Tylose and the water is mixed well. It has been 5 minutes. I will just stir it around and loosen it slightly. Now to this I will add the icing sugar, the corn flour and the cocoa powder, and we will mix this till it is fully mixed and we have a smooth uniform paste. As you can see, once we mixed, we have a nice dark chocolate looking paste, and once it is fully mixed, we will keep it aside for about 5 minutes and then spread them in our lace mats. As you can see, these are lace mats which we have in different patterns. You can use it to make any pattern that you like. And so we will take these lace mats, we will spread the batter in this before we move on to the next step. To this mat, we will start applying the paste using a palette knife. Just spread it lightly throughout the mat and make sure there are no bubbles or holes left in the grooves of the mat. Otherwise the lace that we will get will be it will break down and will not have links, interconnecting links to it. Once we have applied the paste thoroughly, we will then try and scrape out the excess from top slowly, so that we have just the shape of the lace left inside. As you can see, as we are doing this, this is how it needs to be. The other mat which I am using now, since this is a white mat, you can see clearly how we are scraping off the excess, right? Yes, this is how we want the lace to be before we put it inside for baking. I have filled up all the mats with the lace paste. I will be putting this in a warm, lukewarm oven, which is about 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. I will put this mats inside. I've kept them on a tray, and we will keep it there for about 10 to 12 minutes for it to dry out slightly. Now these have cooled down, so to remove them it's very simple. Just from the edge, just start pulling them gently, and they will leave the mold very easily. You won't have to struggle too much. As you can see, and it's like a lace. It's flexible, it's soft, and it is chocolate flavored. You can do that similarly with the others. And this is our delicious and excellent looking chocolate edible lace. We can use that to decorate any of our cakes, and they look fabulous. I have used the chocolate lace to decorate this cake. I've stuck it on cream, and as you can see, it stays.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज़।